What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got quite a cool unboxing. This is the new Xbox controller. It's in the Pulse Red. It's compatible with the new Series S and X Xbox. Okay, so let me not waste your time, let's get right into it. If you guys are new here, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna get it out. I brought a pocket knife, but we don't even need that. Look at that. It's just perfect. So before I open the box, let's just take a look around it. We broke the seal. On the front, we have a picture of the actual controllers. As you can see, I got it in Pulse Red. And honestly, I had a choice between the red. I think there was a blue and a white and a black. And this red is striking. Like if you look at it, this draws attention. Using this controller in the room, everyone's going to look at you. And I think that's a good thing. It looks so nice. I mean, look at that. Whoa. On the side, it's written here, we're getting the Xbox controller and we're getting two AA batteries. So on Xbox controllers, if you haven't owned one before, they work with batteries. So two AA batteries at the back, and you can also charge the remote itself. That's different to buying a normal DualShock controller from Sony with the PlayStation, because there's no removable batteries. I think it's nice that we have the choice, because if the batteries go bad, you can always change them out. You got that flexibility, you know what I'm saying? Okay, around back. Check the back of the box. There we go. Right. So it's saying we got a new hybrid D-pad. So on the previous controller, it was just like up, down, left, right. This is like a more rounded D-pad. And that's nice because with your thumb, it catches easier on the D-pad and you're playing very quickly. Okay, we got a new share button. When we open the controller, we'll check that out. That's in the sensor, so it's really nice and easier to just share your gameplay to friends and whatever. It has a new textured grip, so we're going to check that out. Let's see how it feels. Okay, on the top, I see it says iOS support coming in the future. I'm going to test that out and let you guys know. I'll test it out with my iPad Pro. We're on Call of Duty and we can see if this controller actually works with an iOS device. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to open the box. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, so first impressions, I think this looks amazing. And if you look at it, it's just like a really nice red. Okay, so let's just take it out. I'm gonna put that to the side. I love the color. And we also get two AA batteries. So your basic batteries. I'm gonna leave this to the side. We're just gonna kick more into the box before we look at the controller. At the bottom, we have more manuals. Yeah, just like instructions. I'm not gonna go much into it. Let's look at the actual look. So we've got a red exterior. It's like a toy red, not like a blood red. So it's slightly lighter than it looks on the box. I mean, I like it. It looks so striking. Look at that. Okay, in terms of the triggers, I think they have a bit more of a slightly rubber feel to them. It has grips on. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yeah, it is like a slight grip right here. Okay, in terms of the actual controller, I mean, it's a controller, guys. It's not much can change. We were talking about the D-pad. So this D-pad is more rounded. And let me give you a fair comparison. We got the new controller and I got the old controller. So we got the rounded D-pad here and we got the older D-pads, up, down, left, right. So if I'm using this, I feel it's slightly more clickier. You can hear it. It's got more tactile feedback. That's always appreciated. And it's a more rounded thing. So if you look at the way your thumb sits on the old controller, it's like you just press the buttons. Whereas here your thumb like folds into this place. So I feel it takes a little bit less effort to actually click the button. In terms of the analogs, I think it feels the same. Same amount of grip, it literally feels the same. Okay, so if you're comparing the two controllers, we spoke about the new share button. So here you got a third button in the center. So that's pretty cool when you're on a share gameplay. It's way quicker than going into the menu, share, whatever. I like that the the buttons match the controllers. So here you got a red, all your buttons X, Y, B, A are all red. And with these new controllers you get this colorful touch here in the center, whereas on the old one you do not. Not a big deal. Okay, so let's get the batteries inside. Still the same concept with batteries. Okay, one of the bigger differences between these controllers, apart from the grip, apart from the share button, apart from this D-pad, is the charging. So here we got micro USB on the older controller, and on the new controller we have USB-C. So that's a nice touch because all our phones nowadays have iPads, phones, laptops are all working with USB-C, so we got one cable that can do it all. Okay, big question. If you have the old Xbox controller, should you be upgrading to this? Honestly, I don't think so. It's such a small difference. This is more than good enough. And for those of you that want to get a really good look at this, guess what I'm going to do? B-roll. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that B-roll. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, especially if you thought that B-roll was pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think about this new controller. Are you guys going to be getting one? Let me know in the comment section below. And that's all for this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.